Hi there, in this video we will talk about very important part of WooCommerce, the product settings. I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. So let's get started. Shop page is the first option. Just select the page where you want to display your products. Most of the time this page is called shop. Let me show you on my website. You can see all my products are showing on the shop page. So just select your shop page here. Next is add to cart behavior. Make sure the box for AJAX add to cart is checked. With this, the page does not reload when a customer adds a product to the cart. It saves times and feels smooth. If you uncheck this, the customer goes to a product page every time they add a product, and that's not a good experience. So keep this option checked, it gives a better shopping experience. Now comes the placeholder image. This is used when you forget to upload a product photo. WooCommerce will show a default image instead. You just need to paste the link of a basic image from your media library. Next is weight and size setting. By default, it uses kg for weight and cm for size. These are fine for most stores, but if you want, you can change them. Now let's talk about product reviews and rating. Please make sure both options are enabled because reviews build trust with new visitors and good reviews help you get more sales. Customers can also give ratings based on product quality, so always keep this option turned on and click Save Changes. Now click the Inventory tab at the top. First option is Manage Stock. Keep it enabled. If you are running a store, it's important to track how many products you have. Then we have Hold Stock. This tells how long a product stays in someone's cart if they don't buy it. By default, it sets 60 minutes, which is perfect. You can leave it like that. Next are notification settings. Keep both boxes checked so you get alerts when your stock is low or finished. Then we have row stock number. Change it 10 to 15. This means when your product reaches that number, you get a warning. For out of stock, keep it at 0. It means stock is finished. Below that, you will see out of stock visibility. Keep it unchecked so your out of stock products still shown on your site. If you check it, they will be hidden and that can confuse people. Last in this section is stock display. No need to change anything here. The default setting is good and again click Save Changes. Now you will see options like downloadable products and approved download directories. These are only for digital products like ebook or softwares. If you are selling physical products, you don't need to touch these, just leave them. Finally, there is an advanced tab. You don't need to change anything here. This is for big websites with complex setup. For small or medium stores, this part is not useful, so we can skip this. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.